Program kecerdasan buatan atau artificial intelligence perusahaan Tiongkok DeepSeek menggemparkan pasar modal Amerika Serikat. AI ini dibuat dengan modal lebih sedikit dibandingkan pelaku utama sektor teknologi Amerika Serikat. Berikut ulasan yang dilaporkan tim VOA berikut ini.
Lama menjadi favorit pelaku pasar di Wall Street, saham produsen chip Nvidia merosot 17% dalam satu hari pada Senin 27 Januari waktu setempat di tengah kekhawatiran mengenai program kecerdasan buatan atau AI buatan produsen Tiongkok DeepSeek. Valuasi pasar Nvidia anjlok hampir 600 miliar dolar atau 9 ribuan triliun rupiah. Penurunan terbesar dalam satu hari dalam sejarah Wall Street.
Not just cheaper, but a heck of a lot cheaper, 96% cheaper than what we're finding from the current spend in alternate models like ChatGPT and Gemini. So that is, something that is equivalent of, $5 million spent on the DeepSeek product, but it's $100 billion on the other side of the coin with some of these other products that are available. That's what's disrupting markets right now and why we see such a big impact on things like Nvidia.
Nvidia adalah pelaku dominan perangkat lunak dan keras AI, sementara raksasa-raksasa teknologi lain juga berinvestasi miliaran dolar untuk mengembangkan AI masing-masing.
It's just really sort of almost pulled the carpet out, if you like, under this AI trade, which has been rallying across 2024 and really has had quite an easy ride so far. This is the first time that it feels that there has really been sort of a disruption to the potential outlook for AI, or particularly those firms such as Nvidia, who's really benefited from the run-up so far.
Sell-off besar-besaran saham teknologi terjadi menjelang penerbitan laporan keuangan 7 perusahaan teknologi terbesar yang dikenal sebagai The Magnificent Seven. Masing-masing perusahaan ini adalah Alphabet, induk perusahaan Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, induk perusahaan Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, dan Tesla.
I think that it actually just shows how when there is a profit out there, it invites competition and innovation. And sometimes when somebody has a monopoly or perceived to be a monopoly, it actually goes to show how that profit motive can take away that monopoly power pretty quickly. Now, like I said, it's still early days. We have to see if that is indeed true, but it does look like investors are thinking that the beneficiaries now of artificial intelligence won't just be the chip manufacturers, but it's actually likely to be those companies that are able to use the technology profitably.
Nvidia sendiri baru akan menerbitkan laporan keuangannya pada akhir Februari.
Demam AI sepanjang tahun 2024 terus meningkatkan bursa saham di New York, terutama indeks Nasdaq yang memang berat di sektor teknologi. Demam AI pula yang kemudian berkontribusi terhadap meningkatnya harga saham dari Nvidia yang melonjak dari harga $13 di tahun 2021 ke hampir $150. Dari New York, Randy Wucaksan dan tim VOA.